Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about stylish crochet top designs ideas. If you love handmade fashion, cozy aesthetic outfits and trendy or crochet styles, then this video is perfect for you. So relax, enjoy the positive vibes and let's explore these beautiful crochet top designs together. Crochet tops are one of the most popular fashion trends today because they look creative, elegant, and stylish at the same time. Handmade crochet fashion has a unique beauty that feels soft, artistic, and timeless. Some crochet tops have simple minimal design, while others include floral patterns, colorful texture, lace details, or cute style. Every crochet designs look different and special because handmade fashion always carries creativity and artistic beauty. Many girls love crochet tops because they are comfortable and fashionable together. Crochet tops can be styled with jeans, skirts, shorts, wide leg pants, or layered accessories for a trendy aesthetic look. Soft pastel shades like cream, white, baby pink, lavender, peach, mint green, and sky blue are especially popular because they create soft and elegant vibe. Bright colors, crochet tops are also loved for summer fashion inspiration and beach outfit styling. Another beautiful thing about crochet fashion is that it never goes out of style. Crochet designs giving it vibes mixed with modern fashion trend which makes them look unique and creative. Some crochet tops are oversized and cozy, while others are crop style design that look trendy and fashionable. Floral crochet tops are especially loved because they add a soft feminine touch to the outfit. Handmade crochet tops also reflect patience and creativity because every pattern is carefully designed. Colorful art is not just fashion, it is also for a form of handmade creative and inspiration. That is one of the reasons why this channel exists, to share fashion inspiration, creative learning, aesthetic ideas, and positive vibes with all of you. I hope this video inspire your creativity and help you discover beautiful, stylish, and trendy ideas about crochet. Crochet tops are perfect for many occasions. Some designs look casual and comfortable for everyday outfit, while others look elegant enough for vacation, photo shoot, parties, or summer styling inspiration. Modern crochet tops include beautiful details like bows, paws, decoration, flower, embroidery, mesh pattern, layered texture, or unique handmade stitches. These details make every top look artistic and stylish. Fashion is not only about expensive clothes, it is also about creativity, confidence, and expressing personal style. Handmade crochet fashion feels special because every piece looks unique and full of artistic effort. So guys, watching aesthetic fashion inspiration can also feel calming and relaxing. Soft colors, cozy texture, and beautiful handmade design often create peaceful and positive energy. That's why I always try to bring relaxing fashion inspiration and creative learning content to this channel. Through this video, I hope you enjoy beautiful designs while also feeling inspired and happy. Whether you love soft girl fashion, so guys, if you like and if you enjoy this video, so please tell me in the comment which crochet top designs have your favorite. Stay connected for more aesthetic fashion inspiration, crochet outfit ideas guys, handmade creativity, and relaxing positive vibe video. See you in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye.